Hello guys, this is Al from Open Source Channel. Welcome again. Today a new episode, and well, I'm not going to do a tutorial, or at the least not a full one. I'm going to read some of my notifications for you that I've been having, and I'm going to answer some of the questions that I have also received. I think this is the first time that I actually am logged in my account. I don't even know if I should well, I'll have a look after when I done did this video. Anyway, let's go to the community side of the YouTube portal, and I'm going to start to let's have a look first the review. Datasoft, well, all right, let's go to the published comments. I think it's much easier if we start from there. Hey dude, way too fast. No freight. Let's reply to no freight. Well, what should I write here? No problem. Okay. All right, okay. I will be trying to slow down in future. By the way, thanks for reaching out. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this tutorial. It worked like a charm for me. Infinite thanks. Add the particle effect. Hey, I tell you what, this particle effect, everybody's after it. Let me answer to Miriam Marjan, I think. Well, I don't know if I pronounce it properly. Thank you. Anyway, within this video, I'm going to show you how to resolve one of the major problems that I'm going to show you. I think I got a couple of questions about that. I say thank you now, and the excellent up to date works perfectly. John T, thank you again. Thank you. My buttons become inactive. Is there a fix? Deluxe producer. Yes, it is. Lambury Pride, yes. Please look at my video coming soon. It's actually this one I'm doing now, so I'm going to explain to you all how to resolve the problem. So let me reply to Deluxe Producer. So let's go back here. Now this is the particle, if you remember. What I done here, I add, let me remove that. I add a button. So I drag and drop the button. I'm going to center it to make sure that it's nice there, visible, extra large, so you can see it. Let's put let me copy this URL, and I'm going to paste it here, and I'm going to update. So once I update, I go back to the page. I'm going to refresh it. Now the particle works, but a lot of people be saying that you cannot click on the button. So, and the reason why, as you can see here, my mouse cursor is still a pointer. It's not the actual hand itself. Now if you go to advanced, make sure you clicked on the button, okay? Go to advanced, and all you got to do is change the Z index to 1. Press update. It got to be any other number except 0, okay? If it's 0, it won't work. So once you update, I'm going to refresh it. And as you can see, a little hand comes over where you can actually click, and it's been done. I know you won't see it. Let me do something here. I know I shouldn't have done that, am I? There we go. Let me update this. Let me update. Let me refresh this. And now when you click, as you can see, it's clickable. There we go. It goes to the DNK. This is another project I'm working up, and I'm going to explain to you later on in the video. Now, let's go back to the comment. Now, this fix is not from me, all right? It is from Kevin Valentine. If you change the Z index to 1 in advanced edit, it will work. Thank you so much, Kevin. You've been faster than I. Well, you resolved the problem. I didn't. Thank you so much. And this is the community I'm hopefully, I'm trying to build up, where people come here and help each other. Here we go. Let's go back to that looks producer. Well, two messages, but perhaps he already figured it out himself. Now, Kevin Valentine again, and yes, that's been done, and I think everything else has been done here. So yes, so we already got the issue resolved here. Let's go back here. So what else? What can I do? Yes, I'm working on a new project. The project called it's one of the videos I've already done. Let's go back here. Let's go to YouTube, my channel, and it's one of the actual videos that I made. So I made the dropshipping tutorial with WooCommerce and AliExpress. Now I'm making a new one, and that's going to be site 002TK with the W admin. Let's go back in, and it's exactly the same thing, dropshipping more or less. I don't know if we would call it dropshipping, but what it's all about is exactly the same thing based on WooCommerce, but we're using WooZone Lite. Now let's go to WooZone Lite mode import for a second, and let's go to the store while the back plugin is building. So I'm going to full width here because that's where I got all my items. There we go. Now this is all the items that I have loaded. Again, I'm not looking at the actual design itself for now. Only testing this plugin that is free. There are two versions. There's the WooZone Lite that is free, and there's also the WooZone, the one you can buy on Code Canyon. Now I don't have the full version. This one costs around $43 plus VAT in United Kingdom. I don't know. In some other places you just pay $43, I think. Over here in United Kingdom, but we got to pay the VAT on it. Oh, IVA if you're some part of it, other part of the world. Now this is a very cut off version, the light version here, and it works very, very simply. You just go to the Amazon config, where you will add your Amazon details. All right. I'm going to hide some of the information here because it is access ID. Okay. So yes, I will do this later on. So once you've done all the configuration, you go to insane import mode, and you will add a keyword. For example, let's say game. Let's say just Call of Duty. All right. So I'm gonna just search for the first page in all categories. I mean, I think you can go up to 5 pages in all categories, or 10 pages in a specific category. All right. It does take a little bit of time because I'm running on local host. There we go. I'm going to show all the products. As you can see, that's what being searched on the first page. I'm going to uncheck all, and I'm only going to import one, and I'm going to import this one here. Coal. Yeah, I don't like this one. Let's do this one here. I think it's an Xbox game here. So once it's been done, I'm going to go below the system there. Search for gaming. Well, if I got a category already made, otherwise, well, there isn't one. I think you receive a separate hi-fi studio. No, I'm going to choose a user category from Amazon. So it will create a category if it's not already there, all right? And I'm going to click on import. And all I got to do is just wait, and the actual plugin will import with all the prices, all the images. Well, not all images. I think this is the light version, comes as two images. I think, let me tell you, that's done anyway. It comes with 2 images and 2 variation per product. Okay, so now if I go back to products and I'll say all products. Oh, by the way, I just had a like. Someone liked. Thank you. All right, I don't know who it is. I'm going to have a look later. Thank you to you. And as you can see, Call of Duty Infinity is been added to the store. Let me edit this so you can actually view it. So that's screen there. And as you can see, all the information, all the data, all the prices, the image is being imported, and the gallery as well. Okay. This is what it looks like on the store page. You can add it to basket. But again, I'm going to do the video. Don't worry. I got it to resolve a couple of issues that I'm having with this plugin before I can make a final tutorial, and I'll be posting it. So once it's been done, you just click on the view on basket. You can do multiple. Let's do a multiple one actually. I don't know if I can do this. Let's go back. Let's go back a second. Let's go full width. You can work with one product, so you can put as many as you want in the basket. By the way, this is called Ocean WP template. I'm going to add Blackmagic Design Intensity Shuttle Game Capture. I'm going to check out. And as you can see, it goes straight to Amazon to complete the order. Then all you got to do is just press continue, and both items are being added to the basket in Amazon. Now the one I done is Amazon UK. Okay, so that's what I got registered with, just to do tutorials. I don't do selling. I don't do affiliate either. Anyway, I'm going to delete this. And that's it, really. As you can see, it's easy, very easy to do, very easy to install. I'll be doing the tutorial soon, and I'll be posting it. So going back to the notifications, you said like, it doesn't show up actually. It doesn't show up really. No, it doesn't show up. So that's it, really. Just a short video, you know, just to say thanks to all the subscribers and to answer some of the questions. If you think I haven't answered your question, sorry about that. Just put the actual, you know, ask again if you want to. Just send me a message. You're welcome to come to my website and, you know, subscribe as well. Yeah, don't forget that offer of the free templates is still available on my website. All you got to do is just go to opensourcechannel.co.uk and add your email, accept and subscribe. Don't worry, you won't get any spam. You get a couple emails with the template. Okay, and that's it. I remember I had a message, but I can't find it anymore. Someone was asking about OS ticket, but I can't find your message anymore. I think it's this one actually, Colorado Fisher. Well, just to let you know, my friend, Colorado Fisher, you need a proper, you know, hosting. if you want to, you need to buy a domain name and a hosting. I don't usually recommend any hosting company, but I know this company, HostGator, is an American company. Right. Again, I don't make money out of it. I don't have any affiliates links with anybody, but you can start with $3.95. Looks like here. Agree and proceed. Come on. And yeah, you can start with $3.95, I suppose. Very simple, easy hosting. And again, you can go to VPS hosting, dedicated hosting, whatever is your need. But yeah, that's the only way you can do this. I don't think what you want to do can be done on localhost, unless you wanted to do it in a total different way and you want to install it on your internal network. So what you got to do, you got to go to hosting. You got to open the actual file hosts. Let me do a search here. How to edit hosts file. Again, you will choose if it's Windows or if it's on Mac. So what you got to do is got to modify your host with the internal IP, and you can have a fictitious domain like I do. For example, this is a fictitious domain. This doesn't exist. All right. I can't show you my host files, unfortunately, but this doesn't exist, as this one doesn't exist. Although it's my domain name, this is not my domain name, but it's a fictitious way of thinking. If you type yourself these domains, it will not work. All right, it is an internal. What it does is it redirects this IP, this domain to an IP using the hosts to my local host. The is XAMPP web server. All right, this is how it works. But if you go and you do a search on internet, you'll find a lot of information on how to do that and how to edit. Actually, this one actually does it for Windows, Linux, and I think Mac OS as well. So yeah, it is on support.rackspace.com. Okay. If I'm not 100% sure what you really want to, what you really want to do to be, what you want to achieve. But if I understand it correctly, if you want to do it locally, this is the only way. And I wrote you a little message here on how to do it. Don't forget, anyway, subscribe and click on the bell, all right, to get notified of all my new videos. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.